Hey, it's Scott McFarland. William Michael Spearman of Alabama's case was so important, the then FBI director, Christopher Wray, signed off on the search warrant himself, and they used some tactical devices to get through the door to safely apprehend Spearman. And according to court filings, there was quite a tussle, and Spearman's 3 handguns were just out of reach. And what makes this case so important? Spearman's a former Army member from Alabama, but recently he went by the name Boss. Not boss of a military unit, but boss of a dark web website devoted to child abuse images, child sex abuse images. One of 4 dark web websites taken down by the U.S. Department of Justice as part of an operation they call Operation Gray Skull, something they've announced in just the past few days. And Spearman is one of 18 people convicted for roles in operating these dark web sites. But it's the numbers that are staggering in this case. The numbers, when we saw them, we had to look 2 or 3 times to make sure we wrote them down correctly. In fact, we did. The 4 dark websites with child abuse images drew 120,000 members plus. These are dark websites, difficult to access, difficult to find out about, and they have child abuse images. And they drew 120,000 plus members. Millions of files, and on one day, one site had 100,000 views and visitors. One day. The case of William Michael Spearman ended up in a conviction and a lengthy prison term. Same is true for others with whom he's connected to this case. But the Department of Justice is arguing here is that, yes, this is one of the most successful operations in the history of the Department of Justice on this issue, but also one Department of Justice official told me it even stunned prosecutors just how much traffic these sites draw.